Hey, this is Torrey for Housatonic River Outfitters. It's Thursday evening. Just touching base with you folks so you can make your weekend plans. Rain's behind us. We got a good amount. It pushed the Hoosie up. It's probably going to be sometime next week before we're hitting the Hoosie again. And the way the long range looks like, I'd say next weekend looks great. Um, all is not lost, though, for the weekend. There's a bunch of small streams around here, and they are all open to fishing now. You've got options like Furnace Brook, Kent Falls, Macedonia Brook, and now not just the catch and release section by the meadows open, but you can go way up above that, up into the campground and beyond. You got a mix of wild, stocked, and holdover trout in there. You've also got a little north of us up in Canaan, you got the Blackberry River, which is a small stream, probably 30, 40 feet across. A little bit of everything in there. Stocked, wild, holdover, a little bit of everything. And if you jump on Route 45 and head over past Lake Warmog, the outflow there, you have the East Aspetuck, which is another small stream. It's got a mixture of wild, holdover, and stock trout in it also. And all of those should be in good shape for the weekend. Most of the small streams actually fish better with some additional water in them. Next weekend, we still have a few slots open in the Davy Watton Clinic. Saturday, it's a two-day clinic. Saturday is going to be a day of wet flies and soft hackles. Davy is arguably the best living person at that in the world. And day two is going to be a day of big trout / trophy trout techniques. And hey, who doesn't like to catch big fish? And Davy's caught thousands. We got some new stuff in the store. We're getting flies in virtually every week. I've been getting Sims orders in about every week. If you need new waders, wading shoes, they got some cool new stuff in that regard. I'm happy to show you. I have a good stock of those Cortland nymph rods. The only one I'm out of is the 10.5 3. It'll be a bit before that's back in stock. But I've got the 9.5 2, the 10.3, 10.4, and the 10.5 4 all in stock. If you're interested, at $219.95, they are a steal, and they're getting great reviews. We also have about a dozen glass Cortland rods. We got them listed up on Facebook if you take a look, and we're selling them at a reduced price from what they were retailing for. I remember when those rods first came out, Harold and I cast them with the rep, and we were like, eh. And then I said, hey, why don't we overline these a line weight and see what happens? And it turned every one of them into an absolute rocket launcher. So if you like glass rods, these diamond glass rods are excellent. And there's just a few of them left, and then that is it. This is Torrey for Housatonic River Outfitters. I hope to see some of you here this weekend.